You can't tell me this is not my hair. Hair goes. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So my voice sounds somehow right now, and the reason why you guys have not been seeing videos for some time now is because I've been very sick, like very sick. You can tell from my voice right now that I'm still recovering. So but I've neglected my hair for like 5 days now. My hair has been like this, and I just put on a wig if I have to step out of the house. So since I'm feeling better, I just decided to film myself while I moisturize and seal my hair today, and also show you guys an update on what my hair looks like. At 2 weeks, my mini braids is officially 2 weeks, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now and check how much my hair has grown out already. Yeah, so before I start that, I'm going to quickly do my skincare routine. I've been breaking out for some time now, and you guys can see that I have few spots. These ones are new, so I am treating them as fast as I can. So I'm using the CHEBE serum. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. So I'm using the CHEBE serum. This is an anti-spot treatment. It's also a lightening serum that I add to my black soap to help me clear any dark spot, dark patches, or any hyperpigmentation on my skin. But I still use this separately to tackle spots. So I'm going to apply this first. I just finished cleansing my face and washing my face and scrubbing my face, so I'm going to apply this to my spots. I'm supposed to use a cotton wool for this, but you can still use your hands anyway. My hands are clean. I just washed my hands, so I'm good. So I'm just applying this to wherever I have spots. The next thing I'm going to apply is my aloe vera gel. I've been using this in place of using a moisturizer because I don't have any particular reason for that, but I've been using this on my skin for some time now. I just love the cooling effect it gives whenever I apply it. You guys, I know you guys must know on this channel that I like anything that has a cooling effect. I don't know if the noise in the background is going to enter this video, but if it does, I'll have to do a voiceover. So I'm applying grapeseed oil on top of the aloe vera gel. It has dried a little bit, so I'm just going to top it up with grapeseed oil, and that's it for my skincare routine today. So just a very little amount. So if I'm going out, I would have applied my sunscreen, but since I am not going anywhere right now, I'm going to skip the sunscreen part. But if I have to run out of the house later on, I'll just apply my sunscreen. So that's it for my skincare routine. Now we're going to go ahead and moisturize and seal my hair. And whoa, you guys, this is what my hair looks like. So my hair is not that dry because I have been moisturizing it and sealing it with an oil regularly, and my hair doesn't look that dry. It doesn't feel too dry. So we're going to go ahead and just moisturize and do a little bit of sealing. I'm loving this particular hairstyle that I did. This mini braids is becoming one of my favorite protective styles to do, and I think I'm going to keep up with it because it is so easy and I don't have to do a lot. Just a very easy, low manipulative, low maintenance kind of protective style, and I'm loving it. So today I am not spraying my hair with water. As you can see, I am not talking properly right now because I am sick and I have a cold, so I don't want to spray my water and peppermint oil on my scalp right now. So I'm going to go straight to moisturizing. I am using my Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. You guys must have seen me using this sachets or sample pack of this throughout last year, and I told you guys I was going to get the big bottle. I finally found it. And I picked it up immediately. So if you're looking for where to get this, I keep getting questions on where I get my oils and some things. If you're in Nigeria, you can get this at any shopping mall, ShopRite, Spa, or enter any supermarket or any cosmetic store that sells hair products and skincare products. You will get some of these. So this is the Jackie's leave-in conditioner. I'm going to get the So Clean moisturizing shampoo very soon, and yeah, it is 4.5 right now. And I'm also going to seal with my grapeseed oil today. You can't tell me this is not my hair. Hair goes. You can't tell me this is not my hair. This wig is giving everything. And look at how full it is. I don't want to spray water on the wig right now, but I'm just trying to show you guys what I normally do. So I just combed it out, but if I spray water on it, it's going to lay down. So I don't know if I want to do that in this video, but